Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have a Google account and a Search Console property. Now get the verification tag. In Search Console, choose the HTML tag option and copy the entire meta tag string. Then go to your WordPress dashboard and decide the safest insertion method. Install Insert Headers and Footers or Open Appearance right arrow theme file editor to edit header. PHP. Copy the tag so it's ready. Once done, move to your chosen WordPress place and prepare to paste exactly as provided. Now paste the meta tag into WordPress using your chosen method. If you used a plugin, open its header area, paste the tag, and save, if editing header. PHP, insert the tag just before the closing /head and update the file. Alternatively, paste the value into Yoast or another SEO plugin's Webmaster Tools field. Once saved, return to Search Console and press Verify. Make sure you're verifying the same protocol and domain, HTTP versus HTTPS, and that the homepage loads the new tag. With verification successful, don't remove the tag, keep it live. Next, submit your sitemap, for example /sitemap. XML in Search Console, use URL inspection to request indexing for key pages and watch coverage and performance reports over the next few days. If verification did not succeed, one key troubleshooting step is to clear caches, WordPress cache, CDN, server cache. Confirm the tag appears in the page source on the exact domain and protocol, and re-attempt verification after caches expire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.